Today, we're diving deep into the world of money management, unveiling the secrets to financial success that the wealthy 1% have mastered. You see, when it comes to money, it's not just about what you spend and earn. There's a whole other layer to it, and understanding it can make all the difference in your financial journey. So grab a seat and get ready to unlock the keys to wealth-building strategies that can transform your life. In this video, we're breaking down 10 powerful steps to help you take control of your finances, grow your wealth, and pave the way to financial freedom. From investing in assets that appreciate over time to avoiding common money traps, we've got you covered with practical tips and expert advice. So, if you're ready to level up your financial game and secure your future, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Prioritize investments in assets that appreciate over time. Appreciating assets are those that increase in value as time progresses. This category includes stocks, bonds, and real estate. While many individuals accumulate liabilities, financially savvy individuals focus on acquiring and appreciating assets. For instance, upgrading to the latest iPhone when your current phone is still functional may be considered a liability. Similarly, continuously indulging in luxury items, such as cars, bags, or clothes, adds to your liabilities. To accumulate wealth, understand that your financial growth hinges on how you allocate your resources. The concept is straightforward. By purchasing an asset at a certain price, its value increases over time, resulting in a higher net worth. Appreciating assets leverages the power of compound interest, leading to exponential growth rather than linear progression. For example, if you invest $1,000 at a 10% interest rate, your initial investment of $1,000 will grow to $1,100 in the first year, with subsequent interest calculated on this higher base amount. While investing carries inherent risks, the potential for increased value far outweighs the certainty of loss associated with purchasing depreciating liabilities. Number 2, steer clear of conspicuous spending. Despite the temptation to indulge in our desires, splurging recklessly won't lead to financial freedom. Each day presents a choice: succumb to immediate gratification or exercise patience for future prosperity. While tomorrow is uncertain, it's wiser to proactively prepare rather than be caught unprepared. Imagine encountering enticing advertisements for vacations or discounted memberships, all promising luxury, but potentially draining your finances. As Frank Herbert wisely noted, pursue freedom and become enslaved by desires. Pursue discipline and find liberty. The decision lies in your hands. Consumerism diverts your limited resources towards a lavish lifestyle, hindering wealth accumulation. Wealthy individuals often live modestly, spending less than they can afford, be it money, time, or energy, and investing the surplus for long-term gains. Wealth, in essence, entails delayed gratification. Pursuing a flashy lifestyle prioritizes consumption, perpetually deferring wealth attainment. Number 3, harness the power of leverage to grow your wealth. Leverage is the cornerstone of wealth accumulation. Simply put, it's about working smarter, not harder, by utilizing resources beyond your immediate reach. Here's how it works. Financial leverage. Invest using other people's money, minimizing your own risk. Time leverage. Delegate tasks to others instead of trying to do everything yourself. Technology leverage. Increase productivity by utilizing advanced tools and equipment. Marketing leverage. Expand your reach by leveraging various marketing channels. Network leverage. Tap into other people's connections and expertise to broaden your horizons. Knowledge leverage. Access skills and experiences beyond your own to make informed decisions. By embracing leverage, you can achieve greater wealth than through individual effort alone. If you're not leveraging these resources, you're likely working harder than necessary and missing out on your full potential for success. Leverage your allies in the pursuit of wealth. Number 4, prioritize essential expenses and cut unnecessary costs. To ensure financial stability, it's crucial to detach yourself from unnecessary expenses, or what we call liabilities. These are material possessions that might bring temporary satisfaction, but ultimately hinder your financial well-being. For instance, Maintaining an expensive car when you're struggling financially only adds to your burdens, especially with hefty insurance payments. By letting go of such liabilities, you can significantly save money in the long term. However, this doesn't imply living a miserly existence. Instead, adopt a frugal approach to spending. Identify what truly brings you joy and indulge in moderation. It's about reassessing your priorities. For instance, swapping out costly cable TV subscriptions for more affordable streaming services can lead to significant savings. Liabilities often give the illusion of wealth without actually contributing to long-term financial security. Creating a realistic budget tailored to your needs is essential. A well-crafted budget helps you manage your expenses effectively, preventing excessive spending and the accumulation of debt. Number 5. Avoiding common money traps. Consumerism often ensnares us, with businesses incessantly urging us to part with our money for their goods and services. However, this exchange often leaves us with no tangible financial gain, while these businesses profit from our spending. Society encourages spending but offers scant opportunities for wealth accumulation. Consider this. Why is our education system focused on preparing us for employment rather than teaching us how to build wealth? We are not adequately educated about financial literacy and the mechanisms of money. One common misconception is the belief that trading time for money is the only path to financial stability. However, this perpetuates a cycle of dependence on employment, limiting our potential for wealth creation. While securing a well-paying job may seem like a solution, it becomes futile if expenses rise in tandem with income. Moreover, debts such as student loans, credit card balances, and car loans, compounded by interest rates, can significantly impede financial progress if not managed prudently. It is essential to grasp the workings of interest rates before committing to any financial agreements. Failure to do so can result in long-term financial strain. Number 6. Monitor your spending. It's crucial to have a clear understanding of where your money goes. Even seemingly small expenses add up, and neglecting to track them can lead to financial troubles. Take control of your finances by adopting this fundamental principle. Start by reviewing your spending habits. Something as simple as examining your bills instead of disregarding them will provide insight into your expenditures. Prioritize essential payments, such as bills and contributions to your retirement and investment accounts, before indulging in recreational spending. You may be surprised by the impact of seemingly insignificant purchases on your overall financial health. Recognizing every expense empowers you to make informed decisions about managing your finances effectively. If your financial situation is less than ideal, you may discover that certain luxuries, like daily lattes or lunch takeouts, are unaffordable. Additionally, you might uncover forgotten monthly subscriptions. This newfound awareness allows you to evaluate the necessity and value of each expense. By understanding the true cost of your lifestyle choices, you can take proactive steps towards financial stability. Number 7. Implement automation for financial success. To maintain control over your finances, automation is key. Take a cue from how your employer handles your retirement contributions. Once it's set up, you can trust it to happen consistently without your direct involvement. Apply this principle to other areas, like paying bills and saving money. By setting up automatic payments for your credit card bills and transfers into savings from your checking account, you eliminate the risk of overlooking payments or incurring late fees. Not everyone has the discipline to stay on top of every financial detail. Automation removes the burden of manual oversight, ensuring your financial obligations are met without fail. Just as you wouldn't start a business without a solid plan, you shouldn't leave your wealth management to chance. Craft a wealth plan rooted in proven business principles, such as meticulous record-keeping and accountability. With automation and strategic planning, you pave the way for financial stability and growth. Number 8. Embrace courage. In the journey towards financial success, it's crucial to embrace courage as a guiding principle. While our natural inclination might be to tread cautiously, particularly when striking out on our own, it's essential to recognize that wealth isn't amassed by simply following the herd. True financial success demands independence of thought and the willingness to take calculated risks that others shy away from. In simpler terms, achieving wealth often requires doing what others are unwilling to do, thereby gaining what others can only dream of. Courage is the key ingredient in this equation. Courage empowers you to become a self-starter, to take ownership of your actions, and to forge new paths while acquiring new skills along the way. If you aspire to distinguish yourself from the crowd, you must be bold enough to go the extra mile when others opt for the easy route. Make attaining financial freedom your foremost objective, and you'll find that any voices of doubt or discouragement fade into the background. Remember, building wealth is less about the amount of money you possess and more about your unwavering determination to pursue your goals with relentless courage. Number 9, increase your income actively. Don't settle for just a basic salary. Even the average millionaire earns from multiple sources. If you aspire to create wealth for yourself and future generations, it's crucial to prioritize wealth creation and manage your finances effectively. After all, why would you expect more money if you can't handle what you already have? Take a look at your wallet or purse. Are your bills organized? If not, start by managing your current resources and then explore additional income opportunities. Consider avenues for generating passive income to avoid burnout from overly hands-on approaches. Also, dedicate time to acquiring new skills and leveraging them to build wealth during your spare moments. Number 10, practice discipline. This cannot be emphasized enough. Wealth accumulates through consistent efforts over time. Your daily habits will ultimately determine your success or failure. Procrastination is the #1 obstacle to success for many. Start cultivating the right habits immediately, without delay. This requires discipline. By overcoming procrastination today and persisting tomorrow, you lay the foundation for success. There's simply no substitute for taking action. Either you do it, or you don't. Excuses won't lead to wealth. I hope you found today's video super insightful and packed with valuable tips to level up your money game. Remember, building wealth is all about taking action and making smart choices with your hard-earned cash. If you dug this video, make sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Keep hustling, keep grinding, and until next time, stay savvy with your finances. Catch you later.